So one of the other ideas that was very interesting and novel in this paper on phototourism was let's try to do this incrementally. There's a lot of work on trying to do this bundle adjustment and structure for motion, basically doing it for the entire graph. That is figuring out all the matches and then trying to connect all of them and rather completely for each and every image. One of the interesting things that they proposed was let's try to do this incrementally. Let's not try to solve the entire problem. Let's do it as a new image comes in. So which basically means is let's just take two images and use that to build a kind of correspondences and matches. And as another one comes in, let's keep on adding them in. So for example, here you see two cameras looking at a scene. The cloud of points is seen here. And basically, how can we use this to incrementally now compute the structure for the scene, but at the same time, if more cameras come in, how can we actually model more? So here basically just by two, you get a little bit of a sense of the scene. But next what we will do is basically start adding cameras. More cameras, more points are visible, incrementally you add to it, and now actually you can see a much detailed cloud of points generating for the scene. And that's what we want. Now we know the orientation of each and every camera. We also know a cloud of points. I'll show you examples of this in a bit that will clarify this. So basically now you see a cloud of points, and using a mouse we can basically browse and click on one picture that basically shows the registered image to the whole 3D cloud of points. And then of course we can move around and find other images as we had seen before in the other example. You can also then of course click into different parts of an image, zoom in and see other image that maybe is best registered thing, see more details and browse around. Quite an interesting and intuitive way looking around a scene like this. So these researchers who developed this whole phototourism system were able to then work with the whole concept was actually then taken over and generated into a technology preview referred to as photosynth.net.